Past continuous tense. We use the past continuous to say that someone was in the middle of doing something at a certain time. The action or situation had already started before this time, but hadn't finished. Past continuous in affirmative. To make a sentence in past continuous in affirmative, we have to use this pattern of the tense. Subject, be, was or were, verb ing, object, adverb of time. I was watching television at 10 o'clock last night. Other examples. We were eating breakfast at about 7 this morning. She was reading an interesting book at 8 last night. The past continuous does not tell us whether an action was finished or not. Perhaps it was finished, perhaps not. Compare. Tom was cooking the dinner. He was in the middle of cooking the dinner, and we don't know whether he finished cooking it. Tom cooked the dinner. He began and finished it. Past continuous in negative. To make a sentence in past continuous negative, we have to follow the pattern of the tense. Subject, be, was, or were, not, verb ing, object, adverb. I was not watching television at 9 last night. Other examples. We were not eating breakfast at about 7 this morning. She was not reading an interesting book at 8 last night. Past continuous in interrogative. To make a sentence in past continuous interrogative, we must use the pattern of this tense in interrogative. Be, was, or were, subject, verb ing, object, adverb. Were they studying English at 8 yesterday? Other examples. Were you eating breakfast at about 7 this morning? Was he watching TV at 8 last night? Past continuous using when. The past continuous is used to indicate an action which was occurring in the past and was interrupted by another action. When I came home, she was watching TV. Or, she was watching television when I came home. The pattern will be like this, as you see on the screen. Past continuous using while. It is also used to indicate two actions occurring at the same time in the past. Mother was watering the flowers while father was reading his newspaper. Or, while father was reading his newspaper, mother was watering the flowers. The pattern will be like this, as you see on the screen.